Altcoin market poised for growth amidst institutional interest and upcoming liquidity influx. Welcome to our comprehensive update on the altcoin market. While Bitcoin has dominated headlines with its all-time highs and institutional momentum, the spotlight is beginning to shift toward alternative cryptocurrencies. In this segment, we explore the state of altcoins, what's moving the market, which projects are gaining attention, and what major catalysts lie ahead. The altcoin market is currently in a phase of cautious optimism, while Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has held steady around the $2,645 mark. Many altcoins like Solana, XRP, and Avalanche remain in consolidation or slightly bearish phases. This divergence in performance highlights a critical dynamic. Institutional investors continue to focus heavily on Bitcoin due to its regulatory clarity and status as a store of value. Altcoins, on the other hand, are waiting for more favorable market conditions, particularly retail re-entry and regulatory progress. Several analysts suggest that this is a cooling-off period for altcoins, a calm before what could be a very active storm. The dominance of Bitcoin in the overall market cap has slightly plateaued, which historically signals the potential start of capital rotation into altcoins. Sentiment in the altcoin space is mixed. Some traders remain skeptical, waiting for clearer signals. Others are quietly accumulating promising tokens, often those with strong fundamentals or innovative use cases in DeFi, AI, and real-world asset tokenization. Despite the muted overall movement, a number of altcoins are showing strength and resilience. Chainlink has been on the rise, posting a 7% gain in recent sessions. Its role as a decentralized Oracle provider makes it a key player in the expanding smart contract ecosystem. With new partnerships and integration into traditional finance systems, Chainlink continues to be a foundational pillar for DeFi infrastructure. Sui and Ondo, both US-based altcoins, have emerged as standout performers this week. Sui offers scalable smart contract solutions, while Ondo is breaking ground in tokenizing real-world assets, a theme that's gaining momentum. Then there's Mind of Pepe, an AI-powered meme coin that's gaining significant attention. Despite its meme origins, Mind has raised impressive funds ahead of its pre-sale close, indicating strong interest from both retail and speculative investors. This highlights how meme culture is evolving in crypto, merging with utility and AI to form hybrid digital assets. These examples show that while the top 10 might seem stagnant, deeper in the market, there's real innovation and early adopters are taking note. A major catalyst on the horizon is the upcoming $5 billion distribution to FTX creditors, scheduled for May 30, 2025. This is expected to inject a large amount of liquidity back into the crypto market. Why does this matter for altcoins? 1. Increased liquidity. This could stimulate higher trading volumes and renewed investor activity, particularly in mid and small cap altcoins. 2. Portfolio rebalancing. Investors receiving FTX payouts may look to reinvest into diversified assets, including high potential altcoins. 3. Psychological boost. The successful payout of such a large creditor base may restore faith in the ecosystem, especially for those affected by exchange collapses. If this liquidity combines with positive macroeconomic signals and ongoing crypto adoption, we could see the spark that ignites the next altcoin rally. So is altcoin season around the corner? A number of signs point to yes, though cautiously. Bitcoin dominance is leveling. Historically, when Bitcoin stabilizes, altcoins often surge as traders search for higher ROI opportunities. Developer activity is up. Platforms like Arbitrum, Cosmos, and Base have seen increased developer momentum, a key signal for future growth. Social metrics rising. Platforms like Lunar Crush and Sentiment report a rise in discussions around DeFi, AI, and meme coins. According to a recent CryptoQuant report, if Bitcoin consolidates at these levels, there's a real chance capital begins flowing down into altcoins. Layer 2 projects, AI tokens, and DeFi infrastructure play an important role in what could be a structurally different alt season than in years past. So yes, we may be heading for a new altcoin cycle, but unlike the 2021 run, this one could be driven by functionality and fundamentals rather than just hype. To wrap up this week's altcoin market update, here are the key takeaways. 1. Altcoin activity is mixed, but signs of life are emerging. 2. Chainlink, Sui, Ondo, and Mind are notable performers to watch. 3. May 30th SFTX distribution could inject critical liquidity into the space. 4. Alt season may be forming, driven by a new wave of innovation and demand. Investors are advised to remain selective, do their research, and consider diversifying into altcoins with strong ecosystems and utility.